Hello, welcome to this introduction video of Mialab. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the user interface of Mialab and some basic interaction with the software. First, let's try to open a medical image. You can do this either by clicking the Open Dataset button, or you can use the File Open Dataset menu. Mialab supports a range of common medical image data format like DICOM, VTK, or Nifty. You can also open a range of common 2D images like PNG or TIFF image. You choose the corresponding format that you would like to open, and then pick the file that you want to open. Just like many other medical image software, Mialab will display a 3D volume in a 2x2 layout. As you can see here, we have the actual view on the left up corner, and then corner view and center view. We also provide a 3D overview that you can interact with in the right lower corner on the screen. You can change the position of the slicing by either using this crossing bar or drag the crosshair in one view, and as you can see the corresponding slice, the crosshair indicates the corresponding slices, and they will be changed accordingly. And you can also visualize the crosshair in the 3D view to give you a better feeling of the spatial location of the focus point. You can also maximize one view at a time by using this Scan Maximization button on the lower left corner of each view. You can switch back by just clicking the button again. Use the right mouse, you can change the window setting of the image. The window setting works the same way in the 3D view, so you can use your right click to change the window setting even in the 3D view to be able to highlight or make some structure more opaque so you can see them better in 3D. You can change the function of the right button of your mouse by clicking on the buttons on the toolbar on top of the user interface. For instance, you can change the right button to zoom and zoom in and zoom out by choosing the magnifying class, and then you can also change it to panning by click on the cross symbol in the toolbar, and also you can change it back to the window setting. You can also access the panning function directly using the middle button of your mouse or pressing the mouse wheel to pan the image directly without using the toolbar to change the right click function. Similarly, you can use Ctrl plus right click to access the zooming function directly without using the toolbar. Beyond this basic image navigation interactions, Mialab also provide a large number of image analysis tools to help you to process your images for better visualization or quantitative analysis. You can access these functions through the operation menu or the workflow menu. Depending on the version that you're using, the content of this menu may vary a little. In the operation menu, each operation corresponding to a specific function that can help you to manipulate the image in a certain way. For instance, here I'm using an image cropping function operation. After defining the region of interest, I click on performing crop, and then the image is cropped to the image of interest. As you can see, if we choose each operation, the content of the toolbox will change accordingly. The function of your left button of the mouse will also change. We can try another example, for example, to segment the kidney using an interactive segmentation tool. Okay, now let's look at the workflow. A workflow often means a multi-step image analysis pipeline that consists of several operations. So basically, you could think that this will be a multi-operation connected to one to another. Here I will quickly demonstrate this generic oncology annotation tool. So it starts with a region of interest cropping. So just like what I did in the previous operation step. But after that step, the software will automatically jump to the next step where you are showing the cropped image and you're supposed to annotate the tumor or something. I don't have a tumor here, so I will just try to segment the renal medulla here. After finishing the annotation, you can click on the Finish Manual Editing button here and then save the result. In the input folder, we'll find two extra files. One is the cropped volume, one is the corresponding lesion mask. These two files can be further input into your AI model or some quantitative evaluation pipeline. You can also export the segmentation result as a mesh file for 3D printing or some advanced visualization using third-party software. Well, this interactive lesion annotation tool is a rather complex operation, and we plan to prepare another tutorial just to explain this operation. So if you don't get what I have done here, that is okay. But anyway, I hope you have now get a general feeling how Mialab works and get a sense what operation and workflow is, and we will try to show more details for dedicated medical image analysis workflow in future video tutorials. Thank you very much for watching.